Complete Controller is the nation's leader in virtual accounting. We provide expert bookkeeping and controller-level services. Hiring a single person to manage your finances is risky. To ensure constant coverage and fraud protection, hire a team. At Complete Controller, you will be assigned both a bookkeeper and controller. They work together to ensure your books are accurate and clean without fail throughout the year. Our highly trained controllers are all degreed accountants and QuickBooks Pro advisors. They go through advanced training and have the knowledge to create proper transactions on your books in accordance with GAAP. We don't have to do all the bookkeeping. We also provide training so you and your staff can learn right in your own books. This type of training is easy to retain because it has immediate value. Our controllers have varied experience, and we will match you up with a controller who is familiar with your industry or situation and understands your needs. Your controller then becomes a resource for help with budgeting, cash management, billing, and best practices. When you hire Complete Controller, you get so much more than just bookkeeping. We help you streamline processes, go paperless, find cost savings, and separate your duties for protection against fraud. Complete Controller is the perfect solution for small to mid-sized businesses, individuals, and trusts nationwide. At Complete Controller, we serve a wide variety of clients. Originally, it was our goal to offer audit-ready accounting to every business in America. We were soon being approached by our busy CEOs to manage their household finances as well. And as a result, our private services division that serves individuals was born. Our typical client earns anywhere from $250,000 to $20 million in annual revenue or income, or has a trust value of $500,000 plus. Within our business market, we have found that Complete Controller is effective across almost every industry. Attorneys and consultants love us because we provide billing services which turn their time into money. Construction companies, they really benefit because we structure books for true job costing. Our property managers like to bundle our services with theirs so they can give their clients transparent accounting and timely reports. Retailers benefit from our ability to integrate with any web-based POS system to track their sales and cost of goods properly. Nonprofits enjoy board-ready reporting and team participation in meetings. Restaurants love our knowledge of their industry and best practices. We can provide reliable daily reporting that helps them manage their business affairs. Manufacturing is specialized and tricky, especially those manufacturers who sell entirely custom order products. We can help them know and track their margins. Storage facilities and other businesses with absentee owners take advantage of our ability to keep their vendors paid, manage cash flow, and reconcile deposits while they're away. Mortgage companies benefit from our knowledge of warehouse lines and our audit-ready processes. Folks, this is only the beginning. We are successful at serving many more industries as well.
Hi, this is Jennifer Brazier, President and Founder of Complete Controller. Let's take a closer look at the Complete Controller Accounting Desktop and all of its features. The Action Items folder acts as the bookkeeper's inbox. It's where we store bank statements that are waiting to be reconciled, deposit records that are waiting to be verified, and unpaid bills that are waiting to be paid. Most source documents are obtained by our staff directly from the client's financial institutions or vendors. For the rest, we provide a custom email address to which clients can send documents, directives, and inquiries so they flow directly into their assigned Complete Controller team for processing. Our signature paperless filing cabinet is where we store our clients' audit-ready documents and records. It's structured the same way as a typical accounting department filing system. The filing cabinet holds accounts receivable records such as contracts and copies of customer invoices, all bank, credit card, and merchant account statements with their reconciliation reports by month, financial reports that are prepared by us each period. These are distributed by email to your pre-designated recipients, and final copies are stored here for future reference. Paid receipts neatly filed by vendor and in date order so that they're very easy to find, payroll reports, and vital documents such as insurance policies, corporate paperwork, licenses, tax filings, and permits. With Complete Controller, clients and team members no longer have to go to the office or wait for staff to send a needed document. It is at each user's fingertips on demand, whether they're working away from the office, at home, or on vacation. Keeping people connected to their business is our top priority. Finally, the desktop holds the client's hosted QuickBooks file. We host a full-blown desktop version of QuickBooks Premier so our clients can utilize all of the bells and whistles, including time tracking, integrated payroll, true job costing, and inventory management. For our mid-size clients, we host the enterprise version of QuickBooks that best suits their industry. Tiered permission access to the desktop is also available for clients that want their staff to have only limited access to QuickBooks and the paperless filing cabinet, which holds their sensitive records. Access to the unique accounting desktop is secured using any Mac or PC computer through a dual gateway, which offers more layers of security than web-based accounting systems. Security is just as important as accessibility here at Complete Controller. While we want our clients' records to be available on demand, we make sure they are safe from unwanted visitors. We set up each user with their own unique set of access credentials so that we can maintain a strict audit trail of activity within the cloud environment. This allows us to determine who has performed what activities at any given point in time. We are more secure than online banking. We have been servicing clients virtually since 2007, and it is our distinctive platform and advanced processes that separate us from our competitors.
At Complete Controller, we are passionate about making comptroller-level accounting expertise available and affordable to small businesses, individuals, and families across the nation. Prior to now, this level of expertise was unobtainable by the smaller market because of the high costs associated with salaried positions or having accounting firms perform the work. Meanwhile, alternatives such as part-time bookkeepers and blind outsourcing come at the price of lower quality control and loss of accessibility. Our virtual structure not only provides transparency to our clients, it provides a workplace that is conducive to a task completion and on-demand work model, allowing our staff to function on a purely as-needed basis. This keeps costs down while improving workplace morale. Our staff is expected to complete the work at hand deftly and with excellent customer service. Their valuable time is not wasted driving to work, sitting in a cubicle, and punching a time clock. The result is a staff that is more accessible and far more happy than a schedule-driven workforce. Complete Controller offers many levels of service to meet our clients' varied needs. Some want to perform some of their own bookkeeping and have us fill in the gaps. Others want to stay entirely out of the books and have us perform or record all accounting transactions. Our service packages are based on the frequency with which we touch the books and records. For those at a basic service level, we provide monthly service, going in after the monthly period closes and tying everything up in a bow, reconciling and preparing financial reports. Complete Service has us in the books weekly, and Premier level subscribers enjoy daily updates of their bank balances, input of payables, and more. Our service packages are meant to be used with convenient add-ons that address needs such as billing preparation and payroll management. We also provide an oversight and training service that involves training clients who do not wish to host their books on our system or receive bookkeeping services. These subscribers receive the benefit of training sessions in their own books to improve their practices. Sometimes there is a need to prepare and keep books for a small entity that has very few transactions, such as a trust or real estate holding LLC. We classify entities that have fewer than 20 transactions per month as minimal transactions and treat them to a more cost-effective, less frequent level of service. Finally, our solutions translate beautifully to the mid-size market, and many companies in this space have grown without implementing strategies for transparency, staff redundancy, separation of duties, paperless management, written protocol, or other critical components to an efficient and accurate accounting department structure. We can perform an in-depth assessment of current practices and plan for implementing these strategies at a very reasonable cost to the client. We don't prepare taxes, audits, audited financials, or in-depth tax planning. As a result, we do not compete with the CPA community. In fact, we support and supplement to make their jobs easier. For those CPAs that recommend us frequently or use our service as their packaged bookkeeping solution, we provide them with their own desktop on our cloud, complete with shortcuts to all of their clients' accounting desktops. They use this access to make regular reviews of the books and touch their clients more often than once a year in anticipation of taxes. This increases their value to the client without being as intrusive as it would be if they had to request a backup of the QuickBooks file. We are your CPA's best friend. With Complete Controller on the team, small businesses enjoy clean books, organized processes, access to expertise, and timely financial reports. Individuals enjoy peace of mind and a clear picture of their planning and spending. Mid-sized companies gain exposure to best practices for separation of duties, paperless management, efficient protocol, and more. CPAs and tax preparers get accessibility, an expert team with which to collaborate, and accurate financials to work with. Our team can provide you exactly the services that you need at a fraction of the price of traditional methods. We don't expect our affiliates' team members to sell Complete Controller services. We just want to build awareness that there is this resource in the market, another tool in the valuable array of solutions you bring to your clients. When should you mention Complete Controller? If you are made aware of a need in the area of accounting. We can fill the gap left by a controller or staff bookkeeper and get the books up to date. Remember, sometimes clients just want training and oversight. We do not compete with the client's staff or CPA, so no one should feel threatened. Loyalty promise. Our clients rely heavily upon us for help with decisions regarding any financial related services. When an affiliate introduces Complete Controller to a client, a loyalty bond is created, which means we will protect the relationship between that client and affiliate, and if there is not a relationship yet, we will encourage it. If you have any questions about Complete Controller services or would like to make a referral, please call 866-443-8879. Complete Controller, where your books are just a click away.